Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to add money to your PayPal account, so let's start. There are two ways to do it. The first way is adding a credit card or an bank account. So how you can do it? Well, in my case the page is in Spanish but the same steps are in English. So let's go to pay and receive payments and then just click here on wallet and click on bank accounts and cards. Just click there. You will find these options that says if you want to add a bank account, just click here and you can add the bank account and fill all the information that they request from you, that is your bank number account, and then your name, or if it's a company or personal, depend on. Then when everything is done, just click on connect or link your bank account to PayPal. That's the first way. Another way is adding your credit card to your PayPal account. And how you can do it, let's go back and you will find the option there you see before. So here appears the credit card. Just click here on link your credit card or debit card, depending on what you want to use, and then just fill the information. You have to add the debit card or credit card number, as well as your kind of credit card or debit card, your date, and the security code. When everything is done, just click on link your card, and that's it. So that's the two ways to do it. If you can check, it's very easy to add money on PayPal. Whenever it's linked on your PayPal account, you can add money there, and without any problem, here appears everything, your amount that you send to your PayPal account. So that's the way. I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumb up to this video.